With everything moving online, it has never been easier to start creating an online income as it is today. There is a lot of opportunity for those who are ready to take advantage of it. So to continue with our income growth series where we talk about how to increase your income this year, let's go over 7 real ways to make money online. And let's get started. Number 1. Provide a service online. If you have a useful skill, you can use the internet to get paid to use it. Businesses are moving online and so are their needs, and instead of hiring and training new employees, they can just hire someone who already has those skills. This can be pretty much anything from graphic design, photo editing, video editing, animation, logo design, voiceovers, marketing, Facebook ads, social media management, content creation, funnel hacking, acting, interpreting, ghostwriting, book cover design, virtual assistant, and many more. If you have a skill that you think can be useful to others, you might be sitting on a money-making opportunity. Some get so good at their craft that this becomes their full-time income, and some even develop a full agency providing this service. Many start providing services in places like Upwork or Fiverr, so that might be a good way to start. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you sell other people's products for a percentage of the sale. This is a great option, especially for those who do not have a business. Since the product is already made, all the marketer would have to do is sell the product and take home part of the sale. Most major companies have affiliate programs. If you go to their website and scroll to the bottom of the page, you might find a little option that says affiliates. You can be an affiliate in virtually every industry. If you like electronics, you can become an affiliate for electronic companies. If you like makeup, you can sign up with makeup companies. If you like books, you can sell books. Online, you can sell just about anything in any industry as an affiliate. Another very good benefit of affiliate marketing is that there is no limit on how much you can earn. If you can sell a lot, then you can make a lot. Number 3. Start a YouTube channel. The great thing about building a YouTube channel is that you can do it with things that you're already interested in. If you like technology, you can talk about technology. If you love psychology, you can talk about psychology. If you like traveling, you can share your journey with others. There are many ways to make money from YouTube. The most common is Google AdSense, which is the money the creator makes when an ad is placed before a video. And you can actually combine this with affiliate marketing. Let's say that you have a channel that reviews technology. So why not partner up with technology companies and add an extra source of income to your YouTube channel? This channel, for example, we talk a lot about self-development and business, so we partner with companies that can bring even more value to you in those areas. But there are many other ways to make money on YouTube, things like brand deals or selling your product or service if you have a business. The best part about this is that you are building an audience and you can build great relationships with people around the world. Number 4. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, this is something that many people have never heard of. As we all know, Amazon is a massive online company and many of their functions are run by algorithms and systems. But not everything can be done by AI or algorithms. They need humans to complete certain tasks. This means that within the company of Amazon, there are many opportunities to earn money online. Now, this will not make you a lot of money. Typically, these are simple tasks that take a few minutes to complete and pay just a couple bucks. But if you're not doing anything, why not earn a few bucks at the same time? Number 5. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is something that started getting popular over the last few years for the simple fact that anyone can build a business online by using already made products. The basic idea of dropshipping is that you find suppliers that sell stuff at wholesale price, you set up a store selling that product at retail price, and you make a profit per sale. When someone buys a product from your store, you send the order to the supplier and they ship the product to your customer. You don't even need to touch the product. It's all done online. In many cases, you don't need to buy the supply beforehand because when someone buys it from your store, you use their money to buy it from the supplier. Number 6. Teaching your expertise online. Let's say that you are a great carpenter or can do incredible oil paintings. You can actually share your knowledge with other people online and make money doing it. There are many people online that are looking to build skills in different areas, and over the last few years, people prefer to learn at their own pace and from the comfort of their homes. And if you have a skill that you've worked hard to build, you might be able to help others who are not as good as you are. Building an online course or creating an online workshop or training program can be a great way way to profit from your passions. Number 7. Develop a high income skill. High income skills are different than any other regular skills. Most people already have skills, but very few have high income skills. High income skills are abilities that you have that you can offer to the marketplace and can make you anywhere from $150 up to a few $1,000s per hour without needing a job. For example, one of my skills is YouTube development. I can offer this skill to other businesses in any industry and get paid $300 to $500 per hour for consulting in this area. The great part about high income skills is that it gives us total control. For example, if I want to make an extra couple thousand this week, I can simply do more of it. If I want to take some time off, I can. This is so important to build a strong income online that I made it a mission to help as many people get high income skills as possible. This is why I convinced one of my multi-millionaire mentors to hop on a high income training session with us to share how he used his high income skills to make millions of dollars online. The link to register for this training will be in the description of this video. We do have limited spaces for this training, so make sure not to miss this high income training. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.